So, and what's going on with your jaw?
It's really locked. I can't open it. And it's just really painful. I can't chew anything, and it's making me have like really bad migraine.
How long has it been going on?
For a week
Since last Wednesday. How much pain you feel from 0 to 10?
10, definitely.
10. So the symptoms you have, it's lockjaw, headaches, and where do you feel the headaches?
In my right temple and the back of my right, when it goes all the way down.
To your neck. What other symptoms do you have? Feel nauseous? Any other symptoms? What about eating, talking, chewing?
I can't eat. I mean, nothing that I have to chew. I haven't been sleeping has been the hardest thing. I haven't really slept since last Wednesday. Like,
okay. And how much pain do you feel?
Like
9. And how much headache?
Like 9.
Everything we do should be pain-free. I gotta take your range of motion and let me know if you feel any pain, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you get these numbers in the camera so we can get it from the side. Okay. Open your jaw. So it's like 28. Turn your neck left and right. And tell me if you feel any pain.
It just feels
Really stiff. Make sure you get the face too. Okay. All right. So I want you to lie on your back, head here, head here. Is it okay to work inside your mouth?
Yeah.
Tell me if you feel any pain. Relax. And do not bite me, okay? Is that painful or it's okay?
It's just tender.
Feels that?
It's okay.
Is that too much?
No.
Sorry. Is that too much?
No.
Feels good. You feel that band there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. A lot of tightness here. Okay.
Oh, it hurts.
Sorry. And you said it's in here too, this area,
Yeah.
behind your eyes too?
Yeah. It's like my whole right side.
This on the right side. Oh, sorry. Is that painful?
Yeah.
Are you wearing contact?
No.
How does that feel?
I don't know. It hurts.
What I'm doing is hurting or is it okay?
I mean, it just feels like a lot of pressure.
What about now?
No, it's fine. Right there. It's
Sorry.
really tender.
Let's relax. Is that painful what I'm doing? It's okay.
Okay.
Is it too much?
No.
Okay. And you said it's going down to your right shoulder, yeah? Right side. Yeah, you're really tight here. Shrug your shoulders, shrug, and relax, let go, relax. And do it leave over you. Is that too much? Most of your pain here and here.
Yeah.
Tender here? Do that?
Yeah.
So, tender here too, or it's okay?
It's okay.
Okay.
And like my teeth on my right side are really sore.
Lower teeth or upper teeth?
Both.
Very sore. You've been clenching lately?
Probably, but I don't have a mouth guard because I'm just using the trays for now, and I haven't been using them.
No, that's too much. How are you feeling in your jaw? Can you tell the difference?
Not really. It still really hurts.
Where is worse pain?
Just in here and here.
Okay. Let's lie your back. Okay, you scar tissue. Is that painful?
No.
How does it feel?
It doesn't hurt, but it doesn't feel good.
What about now?
That feels good.
This one? You feel all those bumps here?
Mm-hmm.
It's a large scar tissue here. Is that too much or is it okay?
It's really tender.
So, okay. Get some motion. Okay. You feel cold. Is it painful? You feel as well here? Get some scar tissue. What happened?
This is,
Since that happened, you get a birth inflammation.
I don't know what to do.
What type of after inflammation? Is it okay to work inside the mouth again? Please. The tender here? But here.
Yeah.
Tender or no?
Yeah, it's tender.
Here?
Yeah.
Good. The kitchen. And let's let go. Okay, sit up for a minute and tell me how this feels.
Right. I don't know. I'm still in just a lot of pain.
Okay. Can you get some water? So, where do you feel it now? Just in here, and this is gone now?
Yeah, like it's definitely not as bad.
Mm-hmm. How much pain from 0 to 10 here?
I like a 7.
Okay, you're back. Keep me off if you like, okay? Is that too much or it's okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Everything. Sit up for me. Can you with me? Please take water.
Yeah, it feels a lot better.
Mm-hmm. The headache is gone now and you still feel it.
I don't feel it.
If we check your range of motion, it's 30. Where do you feel the tightness?
It's like right here, like in the hinge, like up there my jaw.
You open your jaw. I think you walk on the other side, okay?
Okay.
You see it here. Right. But the muscle spasm is bad. Is it too much?
I know that.
That's too much?
That's fine.
No, you feel that? Yeah. Well, it starts to loosen up now. Can you tell?
Mm-hmm.
Your problem on the right side?
Yeah, it's falling out.
Right. I know, I'm just joking.
Yeah.
I feel a lot of tightness here. I need to look at this. Okay, sit up for you. Can you let's feel? Let's stretch some more.
I still feel it right here, but it feels a lot better now. It's like opening it.
Well, how much discomfort do you feel?
Right now, it's definitely like a 7.
And the headache?
I don't really
It's
feel
mostly
headache
like
right now.
Where do you feel it? In that spot here? By the hinge of the joint?
Mm-hmm. And right like that, I can feel it in the back here. My migraines.
Sit on the edge again. Is it painful? It's okay.
feel tight everywhere.
Here you go. Open. How's that?
It's going better.
Sure it's coming from your jaw? I'm working on the back end. Okay. It's open again. How's that?
Much better.
Is that your normal or you usually open wider than that? Let me see.
No, because I always kind of have problems with my TMJ, but it's been on the back burner.
Now it's the whole face. Perfect. Almost 40. Good. We start with 28. Want to get more?
Yeah.
Okay. So even though it's jaw pain, I'm actually working in a different area. And you will learn that with ASTR treatment, how to figure out where is the restriction that actually causes tightness in the referred area. So that's what we gain, like more range of motion. Any pain, discomfort with that?
It's sensitive.
Okay. It was 28 degrees. Let's sit up nice and tall. And try it again. Yeah, about 40. That's normal. Good. But to now, tell me how you feel. Like headache, tightness, muscle spasm you came with.
And that's why I feel much more relieved. This is completely gone right here. Still feel a little bit in my jaw, but besides that.
What about open and close 5 times now and see how that feel?
It still hurts, like, but the range of motion is, I couldn't even, like.
Yeah, you were like 28
Yeah.
degrees, now like 40 degrees. That's good. What do you think about ASTR treatment?
Good.
Yeah.
Should I do that kind of stuff, like, on myself?
We'll talk about what we're going to do at home.
Okay.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.